Okay, that's it. That's a complete set. Everything that goes on that Buffalo Forge Camelback drill press. It's a 10-inch. Probably a 1925 to 1930 circa. It's a direct drive. The pulley's directly mounted to the motor. Well, let's start with the base. And then the table. Polish the crank set screw. There's the column. There's the upper body. Brass bushing. 3 bushings. 1, 2, and 3. And then we go to the more complicated stuff. Gearing, spindle, pinion, all kind of stuff. It's probably the most complicated part of the drill. Can't wait for this bronchitis to go away. Been breathing a little heavy. Anyway, there are the pulleys. I was able to polish that drive pulley just by turning the motor on. I couldn't get the set screw out on this drive pulley because the slot is wallowed out. Polish the bolt heads also, and the tensioning spring for the pinion, set collar, and the crank, and the shaft, horizontal shaft. That's it. Next is paint the body and the bases hunter green, just like that gentleman online did.